Ever wondered how to deposit a check into your Nationwide account? Let's dive into the simple ways to make it happen. First up, let's explore branch visits. Step 1. Locate your nearest Nationwide branch. Step 2. Once inside, approach a cashier and inform them you wish to deposit a check. Step 3. Have your check ready, along with any required identification like a debit card. Give the check to the cashier. Step 4. They will process the deposit. Step 5. You'll receive a receipt confirming the transaction. Next up, the mobile app. Step 1. Open the Nationwide mobile banking app on your smartphone. Step 2. Locate and select the deposit check option normally found in a menu. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to take clear, well-lit photos of both the front and back of your check. Step 4. Enter the check's amount. Step 5. Confirm all details and submit. You'll typically receive confirmation the deposit is accepted. And finally, we have Postal Services. Step 1. Safely package your check within an envelope. Step 2. Include your account details, like your account number and sort code, on a separate piece of paper. Step 3. Address the envelope to the provided Nationwide check deposit address, which you can find on their website or statements. Step 4. Post the envelope. Step 5. Allow a few extra days for processing. You can usually track status online. And there you have it. Now you know the various ways to deposit checks into your Nationwide account.